Purple and Quick 11 here with the trick called B-Wave by Phil Goldstein. Let's get started. I have some cards here. Alright. And I want you to think of these as the 4 queens. And I'm just going to take 2 of the queens away. What color queens do you think I took away?
No, red.
The red ones? Alright. And what suit do you think I took away?
Hearts.
Hearts? So pretty much the diamonds would only be left. Right? The diamonds are the only ones face up. Queen of diamonds. Actually, completely different back. And all these blue cards I saw earlier, yeah, those are just blank. It's B-Wave. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.